Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. I'm a beauty, fashion, lifestyle vlogger. For those that know me, welcome back. Today I'm really excited. I am going to be doing an unboxing slash review of the new Sephora Favorites Fresh Face Refresh set. I had been dying to get my hands on it. This set is in and out of stock frequently. The very first time I saw it, it was not in stock, and I just kept refreshing my Sephora app. Then finally I saw it was in stock, and I just had to get it for my birthday. So this set is a Dewy Favorites for a full, fresh face look. The price is $45 US and 59 Canadian. The value is 149 US and 194 Canadian. This set had the most hottest products in it, and I definitely just needed to get my hands on it. So I haven't tried very much. The first product though, $30 value right off the bat, and it is the Benefit Roller Liner Eyeliner. It is in brown. So you do get a full size of this. I actually tried it the other day and really liked it. I don't have any brown liquid liner pencils in my collection, so I was really happy to add this. I think the precision is really nice in the liner, and I was actually a huge fan. So right off the bat, I am seeing value with this. I really do like it. The next thing that you do get in here is the mini size of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. I haven't tried this yet, but it is $47 value that you do get. I think it should be probably good. I feel like I haven't heard a lot about it, but I don't hear as much about Anastasia in person now. So it is $17 Canadian, so, you know, $47 value there. I can also do a little review on any of these products if you'd like. The next thing I was really excited to try because, and I haven't tried it yet, but I have been loving cream blushes this summer. So this did include the Tarte Breezy Cream Blush in Peach Sunset. It's just a really nice kind of darker peachy color. I really do feel these colors, especially with like the vibe and makeup and shirt I'm wearing today. I think it would look really good. It even has a mirror too, which is super cute. This actually sells for $18 alone, so once again, lots of value that you are getting, and I'm really excited to try this. I hope it blends well. The next thing is another full-size product, and it is from Tarte, and it is just this brow shaper. But I needed a new eyebrow brush. I find like my current one is just not working that good, and it's just old, and I don't know, it has a lot of product buildup on it. It's on its last leg, so I think this should be really good, and it's aesthetically pleasing too. So we got that. I wasn't as excited for that, I'm not gonna lie. The next thing is from another product from Tarte, and I've tried nothing from Tarte, so it'll be my first time trying those products. And it is the Tarte for brows, just this brow wax. I've never used a brow wax before, but it's in clear. Yeah, I think it should be fine, especially too if I'm just looking for a nice naturally look. I think it will be good. I do have fuller brows. I do have product in, of course, today, but I do have really full brows, so this might help me manage them for like a more natural look, so that should be interesting to try. Also in here, I had never tried anything from Rare Beauty, believe it or not. And it does come with the illuminating primer in Always an Optimist. I really do like illuminating primers. They are my thing. They make my skin look really good and really glowy. So I will be excited to try that. And also because it's Rare Beauty, I am excited to try that too. And you know, these sets are really good for trying new products and brands because who wants to buy like a full size of something and then it just doesn't work for your skin? So really excited to try that. And I really like how this favorite set has like brand new products, like, and brand new brands. So the next product I've heard the most amazing things about, and I also really wanted to get this set because of this product, and it is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So it's party all night, stay all day. I really want to try this. Everybody says it makes your skin look so good and it just really does a good job of locking in your makeup and also bringing everything together. I really do like Charlotte Tilbury products, the ones that I've tried. So I really want to try this, and if I like it, I might get the full size, but this should last me a really long time. So another great deal. The next product, I've never tried this brand either, but I'm excited, and it is the Ilia Balmy Lip, or Balmy Tinted Lip Oil. I don't know what the name is, or it's in Tahiti. It looks really nice. It looks like my kind of like neutral color. Kind of just looks like the lip color I'm wearing right now, which is actually a gloss from ColourPop. But I think this looks really nice and just a perfect size to throw in your purse or to throw in your travel bag. Imagine traveling. Well, I guess a lot of people are already traveling, but where I'm living, like, things are just slowly getting back to normal. Like, they're getting rid of masks tomorrow, so that's kind of exciting. The next thing is a full-size product from Iconic London. I've never tried that brand, but I've been really wanting to try it for a long time. And it is the Sheer Bronze and Caramel Glow. I think this will work really well for my skin tone. It's just like a nice kind of illuminating liquid highlighter. I think it will look good. If it doesn't look good on my face, I think it will look really good on my body. Like, I could put it on my collarbones or my shoulders. But that product looks really good too, and I just want to make sure, did I get everything? Yes, those were all the products that I did receive in this. Definitely worth the money. Lots of high-end products, lots of different brands, and lots of new items. I think if you can get your hands on this, it is in and out of stock. I will link it down below. Definitely do it because this is going to be the summer makeup that you need. There's just so many really good products in here, and I'm really excited to try them. Let me know if you'd like to see a review on any of these products. I would be more than happy to do that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think the best product was that I got in this set. So I thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.